Hey fellow entrepreneurs, Jay is back with another awesome video for you guys, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can make some extra income online, such as $1 over and over by completing some tasks online, watching a couple of videos, by doing small easy tasks that anybody can do. But this is not going to be a sustainable way of making money online. But what you can do is, if you stick with me until the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can invest extra income like you're going to earn from this method into something far more sustainable, such as drop servicing, high income skills that I'm going to give you free training to. I'm going to give you access to my free 50-minute training video where I built a $5,000 drop servicing business live. And what you can do is you can invest funds like you're going to earn in this video into a Facebook ads campaign that will help your drop servicing business scale much faster. And make sure to stick with me. Throughout this video, because I'm going to show you 4 key websites that you can use to earn some extra income and PayPal money online. My name is Jay and I'm an online entrepreneur, web developer and software developer from South Africa. And on this channel, I teach you methods and ways on how you can make money online, work from home and build sustainable online businesses from scratch with no money, and also ways that require a bit of investment, the various different topics, and also growing your online brand and getting your name out there. And if you're interested in this kind of content and if you want to learn, I also invite you to join my private Facebook group down below. First link in the description. I'm building an entire community there where you guys can message me personally and I will help you out personally. But if you're ready for this value pack video, make sure that you got your cup of coffee and let's hop into my computer and get straight into it. Hey fellow entrepreneurs, we are now inside of my computer and I'm going to show you these 4 websites, and I'm actually going to sign up on some of them to show you the dashboard and actually show you or give you an idea of how long these tasks will take and more or less what you're going to earn. And this website right here is the first website that I'm going to show you. I'm going to take you to the dashboard just in a bit and show you how you can sign up. But you can see right here, you can sign up and get $5 right now worth of points. And I've actually already signed up on this website. And I'm going to show you proof that I've earned my $5 on my dashboard. So this is a website where you can complete basic surveys such as answering about various different products, different surveys about yourself, because what this website wants to do is it wants to find out more about people, aka consumers such as you, and they will then use this information into research into products, what kind of products the consumers or the market is looking for, how to promote them, how to target these people based on the information you've been giving these websites. So there are 3 easy steps to follow on this website. All you got to do is you become a part of the community by signing up and you take surveys about products and services you use. You basically just expressing your opinion, and I'm also going to give you some tools that will help you get more and more surveys on this website, such as an address generator, because you kind of want to make yourself appear as if you're in the US when doing these surveys, because these survey websites generally like to target people in first world countries. And all of these websites are worldwide. If they are not, you can just use a VPN and log on with a VPN and it will work worldwide. Step number 2, they will pay you cash for every single survey that you complete. We will send all of your payments via PayPal, which is great. All of you want to earn via PayPal, the international payment method. And what you want to do is you want to come over to isurveyworld.com, log in or sign up with your email and password and all the information here. And I'm going to do that right now and log into my dashboard so I can show you more or less what you're going to earn and the proof of $5 that I earned for signing up. And there we go. This is what my dashboard looks like. You can see I've already got a couple of surveys here that's going to pay me 50 cents for this survey, another 45 and 30 cents for this survey. So for a couple of minutes of your time, you can earn a total of close to $1.50, which is about 30-40 Rand in my country, which is enough for a movie ticket or something like that. It can be used for food, extra expenses, or investing into something more sustainable, such as Facebook ads. And you can actually see right here on my account, the $5. I can click on the rewards button and you can actually see my balance is currently at $5, and you can redeem that by clicking on the redeem here PayPal button, and the minimum requirement to actually redeem is $25. But if you do a couple of surveys, give it a day or 2 and work at this, you can get your first $25. And $25 on a Facebook ads campaign is going to help your ad reach at least about 40,000 people. And just think about how many sales you can get with affiliate marketing pages, landing pages, or something like this drop servicing model or free training that I'm going to give you at the end of this video. That's the sort of idea where where you can invest this money into. And then the second website that I've got here for you guys, I'm also going to show you how to log in and sign up on this website now. This one actually pays pretty well, and you can actually see right here, all you're going to do is you're going to answer questions about yourself, you're going to build your profile, and you're going to earn rewards in the ways of cash, gift cards, movie tickets, online payments such as PayPal, and discounts such as Amazon coupons and various different payout methods. And literally all you're doing is you're answering questions about yourself. So this one is super easy because you're not answering anything you don't know. There's no cold information or academic questions that you have to answer. It's all information about yourself. And if I click on frequently asked questions, I'm going to give you an idea more or less of what you can earn. So I click on redemptions and come over to how much can I redeem. You can see you may redeem between $20 and $70 for US, and the minimum or cash payout redemption is $20, which is not a lot. Most websites are usually $50 plus, so this is not a ridiculous amount of money before you can pay out. And you'll see right here the payment. How much do I get paid for completing an activity? The payment for activities varies depending on the length and type of activity, and it will actually tell you how much you will get before you enter each activity that you can partake in. So what you need to do is come over to this website, purprofile.com. You will see there is a big join us button. Click on that. You can either sign up with Facebook, Twitter, or Google. So I'm going to do that quickly and take you to the dashboard. And you'll see right here, this is what your dashboard looks like. I don't have any surveys or tasks at the moment to do because I think I signed up without my VPN on, and these survey websites generally don't like to give surveys to third world countries such as South Africa, which is the country I'm in. So when signing up on this website, I suggest use a VPN and connect yourself to the United States, because obviously these surveys like to target more first world countries, so they will give them more surveys, which means you can earn more. But what they do is they probably send you notifications, or they will send you more surveys and tasks to do each and every day, and you can complete them, and you're probably going to earn about between 50 cents and $4 to $5 a survey, which will take you about between 10 and 30 minutes of work, which is really not bad pay at all. And the second platform that I've got here for you guys is called surveytime.io, and you can get instantly rewarded for completing online surveys. You can sign up with Facebook, Google, or Twitter. And if I come over, they also have an affiliate system where you can refer people to this, and you will get a commission for that. If I come over to the frequently asked questions, you'll see how it works. After signing up on Survey Time, you'll answer a few questions to help us create your profile, and we'll find or offer you the best surveys that fits your interest. Then you can start taking surveys and earn $1 for each you complete successfully. So this Survey Time website pays really well. It is guaranteed to pay you $1 every survey that you complete. So if you complete 10 surveys, you're going to earn $10. A survey, I'm assuming, is going to take between 10 and 20 minutes, which is really not bad. Some may take shorter, some may take longer. And you can see, where can I redeem my $1 reward? You can redeem via Amazon gift cards, PayPal, Target, and many other ways that you can withdraw as well. This is international, which is great. Anybody can do this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to log in and see what the dashboard looks like. And you'll see right here on my Survey Time, what you can do is you can click on enable desktop notifications or enable text notifications, and they will send you a message to your phone or your desktop every time they want you or send you a survey. They might send you a survey a day, every second day. I'm not actually too sure how much they will send you or how many surveys they will send you on a daily basis. But make sure you've got both notifications enabled on your desktop and mobile phone so that you can do these surveys and earn your $1 over and over every time they send you a survey. And then the final website that I have for you guys is called opinionworld.com, and this is a survey website where you're going to complete online surveys and you will get paid in points, and you can redeem for any types of points, cash such as PayPal. If I actually click on the rewards tab, you'll see right here that they pay via PayPal, aka cash, so cash rules, or you can earn some right on our website using PayPal, web shop, as well as Amazon gift cards. So you can sign up on this website right here by clicking on the sign up button. All you're going to do is you can use the application on iPhone or Android, and they will send you surveys, or surveys will pop up on your app. You can complete them and you can earn rewards for that. So I'm going to sign up on this website and see if I can get into the dashboard. So I've now signed in with my account, and they are asking me a little bit of information just to get to know me. What I suggest you do is, when they ask you questions like what is your current occupation, naturally just put yourself in a higher or upper level management such as IT, education, doctor, or a upper executive, because these surveys like to target people that are doing very well in their personal life because they're obviously cash ready. They want to target these people because they know they can afford these products. Same thing with you'll see right here, what is the highest level of education you've achieved? Just put something like a bachelor's or associate's degree or higher, and then your income, instead of selecting 15 to 24,000 if that's your real income, just set it to like 500 to 999,000 because these surveys like to target these people with higher incomes. With the home address, what I suggest is if it's asking you just for the United States, come over to Google and type in US address generator, and there's actually a website right here called random US address, and you'll see it will generate a random address right here. So 301 Giraffe Hill Drive. I'm going to copy this, come back to this page here. I'm literally going to paste this as is. For the city, Cedar Hill, you'll see right here they're asking for city, Cedar Hill, and then the postal zip code is right here, 75253, which is obviously in the state of Texas. So I'm going to look for Texas in the drop down and then click on next. For some unknown reason, I'm getting an error on this website saying you've entered an invalid email address. I'm not sure why. So I actually found this alternative website for you guys called Toluna Influencers, which is another paid survey website where you can get paid to complete these tasks online. And as far as I know, it pays pretty well. So I'm going to sign up on this website and show you more or less what the dashboard looks like so you can get an idea of what you're going to earn. And you can see right here, this website pays out via these methods: PayPal, Woolworths gift card, Superbulous.com, and other online websites where I suppose they give you coupons and stuff like that. But obviously the main one here is being PayPal. So I'm then going to click on the sign up button. It's going to ask you some information about yourself. So just enter this information and I'll take you to the dashboard right now. And when signing up on this website, you can actually enter your cell number as well, and they will send you text messages when they have a survey for you. So what's nice is wherever you've got your phone, you can answer surveys anytime and work from home or wherever you are and earn money online doing that. And you can see right here, I am now on my dashboard. And if I come over to the surveys bar and you click on Survey Center, you'll actually see a ton of surveys here. I currently have 500 points on this website. 2,500 points is $1, so you can get an idea of what you're going to earn right here. Here is a lifestyle survey that will pay you 2,500 points, which is $1, which is not bad pay at all. It really pays well considering it's just 15 minutes of work that is super easy that anybody can do. Same with all these websites here. 2,000 points, 2,000 points for about 20 minutes of work here will pay you about $2 just for completing these surveys. They've got some other surveys as well, such as sponsored content. You'll see right here are some surveys here. 2,000 points, 2,000 points. So this website really has a lot of surveys. They've got some popular ones as well. Again, 2,000 points, 2,000 points. And then some recent surveys. They really aren't running out of surveys at all, which is really good. And I'm also going to come over to profile surveys, another place where you can answer 1 or 2 questions about yourself or complete your profile, and you can earn a total of about 1,200 points, which is about 80 cents for just completing your profile. Never mind just answering the survey alone, and then you can go and answer more and more surveys and earn your points over and over again. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link for you guys in the description to my free 41-minute video training on how I built a $5,000 drop servicing business live with service arbitrage sales funnels. It is super valuable, and this is the ideal place where you can invest your funds from these survey websites that you've now earned into something like this and build a real sustainable income online. This video is completely free to watch. I don't ask for your email, no sign up, no nothing like that. You can click on the link and immediately start watching the video, and you can also join my private Facebook group for exclusive content and behind the scenes of my channel, and you can message me personally. So if you guys are ready for this value pack video, make sure to click on the video in the description and I'll see you there. But if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a notification every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. But until then, take care and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.